This video demonstrates the procedure for performing a land cover change analysis using ArcGIS. The area that we will explore will be Camden County in the northeast corner of North Carolina, and the analysis will look at land cover change between 2001 and 2011. The first step involves setting up a base map with the North Carolina counties layer. Now here I've zoomed in to the area of study and created a layer for Camden County. On this screen I have brought in from the USGS National Land Cover Change data for the United States. Now to speed processing within my map project, I'm going to use the mask tool in ArcGIS to isolate the data I need specific to Camden County. Now here I'll demonstrate the masking process. Go to my Arc toolbox, and under Spatial Analysis Tools, choose Extraction, Extract by Mask. For my input raster, I choose my land cover change data. My mask data, I'm going to mask this to Camden County. Then I find a spot to save this, and I have my sequestration geodatabase, and I'm going to save this one as a mask of land cover change data 2011. Hit save. Click OK. Now when I turn off my land cover change data from 2011, you see that I have this data layer masked, and now it's just representing the data that I want to see for Camden County. On this screen are the results of my masking the National Land Cover Change data 2001, which involved the same steps as masking the 2011 data. And here I'm showing the 2001 data that's been masked. And here's our 2011 data masked. And though these two data layers appear quite similar, there may be differences, and that's what we're looking for right now. And to demonstrate these land cover changes between these two layers, we want to see where did land cover change between 2001 and 2011. And for this, I will use the Raster Calculator tool. Now here I'm going to demonstrate the Raster Calculator. And again, what I'm looking at is land cover data 2001, land cover data 2011, and these all have classifications assigned to them. And what I want to know is on which raster pixels the classifications have changed. So I go to my Arc toolbox, I select Spatial Analysis Tools, I select Map Algebra, Raster Calculator, and for the Raster Calculator now I'm going to put in my land cover data 2001, and I want to know where that equals my land cover data 2011. I'll click OK. Raster Calculator has finished, and a new raster calc layer has been formed. And what this is saying is wherever there's a 1 value, it means that the equation is true. It means the two land cover data layers are equal. Wherever it's a 0, which is shown in purple here, it means that the equation is false, and therefore the land cover did change at these places. Now here I've brought in and turned on a subdivisions layer to look more closely at a specific area where land cover change did take place. I turn on my subdivisions layer, I zoom in to a particular bookmark I've created, and this is the Wharf's Landing subdivision. And as you see, in this particular region, there has been a great deal of land cover change between 2001 and 2011. Here in this slide, I'm displaying aerial images to visually demonstrate the land cover change that ArcGIS identified with the spatial analysis. What we have on this slide is an aerial image pre-2001 of the Wharf's Landing subdivision area. And as you can see, there are no residences yet built in the subdivision. And now in this slide we see an aerial image from 2012 of the same area, Wharf's Landing subdivision, and we see now that residential housing has been built in the area. And this coincides with the GIS spatial analysis. It shows land cover change did occur in this area. I want to also point out that we have these single pixel areas where it's identifying land cover change, and what I'd like to say that these are simply anomalies where the two data sets did not align perfectly. And specifically, one part of the data that did not align perfectly were the roads and highways. if I were to turn off the raster calc, you could see that those anomalies align with where the roads and highways are on the land cover data set. That's my GIS presentation, and hope you all learned something. Thanks.